The human respiratory system, the body systems. Hello and welcome to the Wonderverse Kids. We warmly welcome you into our science lecture for the topic, the human respiratory system. It is the system through which we breathe. Just leave that. Let's imagine you're in a tiny oxygen molecule taking a thrilling journey through the human body. Where would you start and how would you navigate your way to the ultimate destination, the alveoli? Lesson objectives: identify the key organs of the respiratory system, explain how the oxygen enters the body, travels through the body, describe the process of gas exchange, the movement of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli and the bloodstream. What is actually respiratory system? The respiratory system consists of a set of organs and tissues that are involved in the uptake of oxygen from the atmosphere and release the carbon dioxide generated during aerobic respiration. So this is a flow chart that simplifies the complex process of oxygen travel. So the air enters through your mouth or nose, and then it goes into the bronchi, divided into smaller bronchioles. These bronchi lead to clusters in alveoli, and that all. And respiratory organs, nose and nasal cavity. The nose serves as a primary entry for the air. Inside the nose, we find the nasal cavity, which filters the incoming air. Removal of the dust and particles warms and humidifies the air before it reaches. Mouth and oral cavity. The mouth also serves as an alternate entry point for the air. The oral cavity plays a minor role in the respiration, but it is essential for speech and swallowing. If the nasal passages are blocked, breathing through the mouth becomes essential. Pharynx, the throat. The pharynx connects the nasal cavity and mouth to the trachea. It serves as a common pathway for both air and food. The epiglottis, a flap-like structure in the pharynx, prevents food from entering in the wrong one. Larynx, the voice box. The larynx is a tough, flexible segment of the respiratory tract that connects the pharynx, the back of the nose and throat, to the trachea, the windpipe. It allows the air to pass through it while preventing it from food and drink for blocking the airway. The trachea is the windpipe. It's like a hollow tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi, the airways of the lung. It is a primary function to enable the airflow and form the lungs. This preparation ensures that the air entering is not blocked. And bronchi, the bronchi are main airways to the lungs. When you breathe, air enters your body through your mouth and nose and passes through your larynx and trachea. The trachea branches into bronchus in each lung. Bronchi, these are small branching air passengers inside the lung. They serve as conduits for the air, connecting the larger bronchi to the alveoli. Alveoli are where the gas exchange occurs. Oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide leaves. Alveoli are tiny air sacs located at the end of the bronchiole. These structures play a crucial role in the gas exchange. During breathing in the alveolus, oxygen molecule move through a single layer of lung cells. So gas exchange during the external respiration, oxygen-rich air enters the alveoli. During inhalation, oxygen molecules diffuses across the thin alveolar walls into the bloodstream, where they are bound to the hemoglobin in the red blood cells. This is also a flowchart of what is being done in the gas exchange. Simultaneously, the carbon dioxide produced by the cellular metabolism diffuses from the blood into the alveoli after binding into the hemoglobin. And thanks for listening and watching our video. Make sure to subscribe for more such videos.